8 minus 8 gives us 0. 0 divided by 10 gives us 0, and 0 times 2 equals 0. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have subtraction, division and multiplication operators present, and according to the rules, multiplication and division have higher priority over subtraction, and according to the rule, multiplication and division have equal priority but higher than subtraction. So we must solve multiplication and division first, but between multiplication and division we must work from left to right. So we'll solve this division first because it's on the left side. So 8 divided by 10 can be written as 8 over 10. Our expression simplifies to 8 minus 8 over 10 times 2. And now between subtraction and multiplication, we must solve multiplication first because it has higher priority. So we'll solve this multiplication first. So 2 and 10 both are divisible by 2. So 2 divided by 2 gives us 1, and 10 divided by 2 gives us 5. So our expression simplifies to 8 minus 8 over 5. So now if you notice, we have a fraction available here, 8 over 1 minus 8 over 5. We need a common denominator to solve this. So to get common denominator, what we do is we multiply both the denominators. So 5 times 1 gives us 5. 5 is the common denominator, but whatever we do in the denominator, we must do the same to the numerator. So we multiplied the denominator here by 5, so we must do the same in the numerator. So 8 times 5 gives us 40, and then we have minus 8 here. Since we did not multiply this side of the denominator with anything, we'll leave the numerator as it is, and 40 minus 8 equals 32 over 5, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.